extra space, predominantly because the house that we've moved into and where we live at the moment had 3 bedrooms, but the bedrooms weren't necessarily all fit for purpose and large enough for us as a family. We've got, as I mentioned, 3 bedrooms, but the smallest of which is actually probably too small. And obviously my daughter's getting a little bit bigger now, and as she grows, we felt that she was going to grow out of it quite quickly. And hence the reason we felt what we needed some extra space, and a loft conversion was a natural choice. So this was the correct time for us, predominantly because we felt that we moved into this house. We've been here a couple of years now, settled in. We really like the area, really like the locality. And for us, it felt that actually, as I said, with the children growing up now, making that investment now and actually investing into a loft conversion was probably the right thing to do at this stage, as opposed to as the children get slightly older. And then, as I said, for us, it just felt that now would be the best time, given the fact that, as I said, the children are still a little bit young. They could have their space, and we could obviously have our own space as well, and it would kind of like future-proof the property, so to speak, hence the reason why we went for it.